Today in this video, I like to share you guys how to block unknown Wi-Fi user and how to change your Wi-Fi password, name and security just one click. I am Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT, so let's start the video. At first, go to Play Store and download this application called TP-Link Tether. This is my router model TLWR840N. By the way, TP-Link router username and password is admin and admin. This application interface very easy to use. On the front page, you can get three options: Home, Client and Tools. Home page, you can see your Wi-Fi name and hidden your password. Just one click show your password, and at the same time you can change your Wi-Fi name, password and security. Second option is client. Client, you can see how many devices connect with your Wi-Fi, and you also block unknown Wi-Fi user just one click. At the same time, you also change your device name and device icon. And last one, tools. You can get so many options. I don't think this option is very necessary. Okay, this is all about TP-Link Tether app. I hope you guys like this video, enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Allah Hafiz.